Welcome back to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you the JavaScript inner HTML. Alright, so what is the inner HTML property? Inner HTML property can be used to write the dynamic HTML on the HTML document. It is used mostly in web pages to generate dynamic HTML such as registration forms, comment forms, links, etc. Example of inner HTML property are, in this example, we are going to create the HTML form when the user clicks on the button. In this example, we are dynamically writing the HTML form inside the div name, having the ID my location. We are identifying the position by calling the document gets element by ID method. Okay, now without wasting much time, let's go straight into our text editor. Call this success.html. Okay, so I'll just copy come here and paste, Ctrl V, alright. So now I'll create my form. Okay, and the form, you have a name, my form. Alright, have a name my form, and input, have an input type to be button. Alright, and the value be comment. On click you have show comment. Alright, show comment form. Okay, right, so let's create a div. We'll create a div. And the div, I'll give it an ID. Give it an ID of my location. Alright, with an ID my location. So now let's create a script. Give it a type of text. Types of text. Give it a function. Give it a function of show comment form. Give the function of show comment form. Then we have to be data. We have name. Okay, and input with the type input will be type text and has a name of name. Okay, so you have a line break and we put comment, have a comment, and line break also, and you have text area. You have text area row to be 5 and columns to be 80 Alright, columns to be 80 text area. Alright, so have a line break also. You have a line break give it an input and a type of submit, alright, and a value of post comment, and a value of post comment. Alright, so now we have document dot get element by id dot get element by id my location. Alright, just inner HTML equal to data. Okay, so let's save this and run it. Alright, so let's click on comments. Okay, so click on this. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, now you will notice that the field is not here. So once we click on comment, it brings out all the field, but for the name and the comment box, you have the name field and the comment box. Okay, so once you click on comment here, we go back to the initial one. So that is all about the inner HTML JavaScript. So the next one we'll be talking about is the JavaScript inner text. All right, now see you in the next tutorial.